This is my 2009 smart car. It's the towed vehicle for behind my RV. Today we're going to wire up some tail lights. I'm using a Blue Ox wiring kit, 4-diode wiring kit. The diodes help prevent feedback into the car's wiring system and only feeds from the RV. They supply a brown and green jumper wire to take it from the driver's side or to the passenger side or the left to the right. We're going to run and tuck that wire, then we'll run the main wire down the left-hand side of the car to the front of the car, get all the wiring run and tucked, and then we'll do the connections afterwards. There it is, all wired up on this end. The blue aux 6-pole terminal or socket is marked on the back. What you're looking for is TM is going to be the brown wire, GD is the ground, that'll be the white wire, LT left turn signal, that's going to be the yellow wire, and RT right turn signal is going to be the green wire. Okay, these are your taillight wires here. On the right side, you're looking for the black one with the green stripe and the gray one with the green stripe. We're going to cut these wires right here, insert the spade terminals, put spade terminals on our brown and green wire, and then we'll plug in the diodes, and that be the right side done. Okay, now we put in our diodes. So the single pole side goes to your taillight wires. And it doesn't really matter which one you plug in. Okay, then match your wire colors. So this is black and green, this is black and green. Plug that into one side, doesn't really matter which. And match the colors on the other diode. Gray and green, gray and green. Okay. Then plug in your taillight wires. So my taillight is going to be the gray and green wire, gray and green. Taillight is brown. And black and green is my stop and turn light. Right turn is going to be my green wire. This side is wired and ready to go. Okay, so just a little bit more wiring to do on the left-hand side. I've got a nice grounding point, or earth point, as the Europeans might say. Right here for my white wire, I have to complete my green circuit for my right-hand side, and then we'll wire in the taillights. Okay, one last little bit of wiring to go. What we're looking for is the brown with gray for the tail lights and the black with white for the stop lights. Splice into those, put in our diodes, and this job is complete. Okay, the diodes are plugged in, single pole side to the taillight, the other side to one of the dual terminals. Turn signal is black and white, so the yellow connects with the black and the white. Tail light is the brown with gray. Tail light is brown. That should do it. Should be complete. Get things buttoned up, tucked away. Alright, what we're going to do now is try it out. Okay, moment of truth. Hopefully you can see it's not too backlit. Try headlights. Okay, got a tail light on each side, got tail lights on the truck. Good. Emergency flashers. Got flashes on both sides. I'm so relieved. Thanks for watching.